This is the 2015 to 2018 Subaru Outback Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a complete replacement screen that comes with this powerful Hamilton underlying operating system, as well as a whole lot more. You're going to have access to wireless, CarPlay, and Android Auto. I'm going to show you in this video how to set up Android Auto, and also we'll talk through the features of the kit. Go ahead and pull out your Android device, open Connected Devices, and we'll hit Pair a New Device. Look until you see a device starting with Hamilton. Touch it. Your phone will pop up with a pairing code and you can click Pair. The first time you ever pair Android Auto, you may need to click Allow Android Auto on your phone. Now we'll wait about 30 seconds. We'll touch this icon here. Just like that, you'll see it starts loading. And there it is, for the first time, wireless Android Auto. You can see what a difference we've made in this vehicle. This system is going to preserve all of your original factory functionality, including your reverse camera and your steering wheel controls. This device will have FM radio, but it will not have XM or AM radio. We have a Hamilton upgrade kit if you require those functions, and it preserves your factory radio. Here it is. Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. Whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. We've precision calibrated this device to work with your factory microphone, so talking to the Google Voice Assistant is easy, and making phone calls sounds great. You can see how much better this looks with this large apps here for navigation. You can easily navigate to nearby destinations. Touching the exit button will bring you back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Here on the Hamilton underlying operating system, you have access to features that are not available on Android Auto. These might be apps that Android Auto does not allow. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto the device. If you want to use these apps, you can either connect to your phone's hotspot when Android Auto is not in use by coming to Settings, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi connection, turning it on and connecting it to your phone's hotspot. Or you can do Settings, More, and you can actually set up with 4G network with this device. You can use a T-Mobile SIM card in the SIM card slot that we showed you during the installation video. You'd scroll down here to the IMEI SIM slot 1, give that number to T-Mobile or the carrier of your choice. You can activate this device on a 4G network. We've found that once the carrier activates it and you install the SIM card in the device, it's best to wait about 2 to 3 days for your device to activate. If you activated a 4G network, you'd be able to use any of these apps without your phone present. It's very cool. Touching this will bring you right back to Android Auto. This device has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, a premium 8-core Qualcomm processor, and of course, because of all of this, we can afford to back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. Full details are available on hamiltonmotorcompany.com. This warranty means we'll take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We have concierge-style tech support. Give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the next video.